Guys, I found something. It's this. Easy button. This will drop nukes on the Mushroom Kingdom. That's why we don't want to mess with this thing. Things could go out of hand. Someone finds this tape recording. Please. Oh, please. Just... don't press the button. Todd! Shut up right up! Shut up, Todd! No one wants to hear you sing! Okay. Sorry. Okay. Todd, that was annoying. Oh, an easy button. I wonder what happens. What do you think, guys? Should I click it or should I not click it? Which one? Got two links below in the comments below. Which one? Should I click it or not click it? You pick.